So for years I've been using those single ear sets, either from Countryman or recently from Body Mics or Audacious Pro Audio. I've been using the BE4 and the DEF3, the difference being the width of the capsule. So the BE4 is 3/16 inch and the DEF3 is 1/10 of an inch. So it's a little bit smaller, a little bit closer to the Countryman element width. But lately I've been really happy with these dual ear mics from Audacious, and they're available in two similar models. The BH4 is the 3/16 inch, the cheaper but larger, and then the DHF3, which is what these are, with a 1/10 inch, so smaller, for a bit more. But what's interesting is that they seem to have higher sound pressure level handling capability. What's nice about these, and so there is a process for fitting a single ear set mic on an actor, and it involves bending and shaping the part that goes over the ear and the boom to be in an optimal position near the mouth. It's a bit of a time-consuming process, and at the end of the day, you still need to put tape behind the ear, sometimes above the ear. These dual ear hook models, and it's important to note on the BH4, you do have to specify fold flat ear hooks to get this adjustable width headband and adjustable boom. On the DHF3, it appears to be the standard. But what's interesting here is the headset can be adjusted to fit a variety of head sizes without tape. And you can adjust the boom, the size between the ears. So I can't really do it smoothly without a person, but you can kind of see how I'm able to accommodate a larger head here. And that would be the distance from the back of each ear to the back of the other ear. And then also I can still adjust the position of the boom coming forward along the cheek. So what I've found is, with a microphone like this, I don't need as much tape. And fitting them might involve just a slight amount of reshaping of this curve, so it's not so severe. So at the end of the day, I no longer have to spend as much time shaping and fitting a single ear set mic. I don't have to put on as much tape. You still need to do, in my opinion, a neck relief loop. But a lot less tape. And they're not much more. So I would highly recommend moving to this model. You're going to see a lot less wear and tear on your inventory. You're not going to be shipping your mics in for the flat rate repair service. Now, on that, recently I tried to send in a couple of BE4s that had become broken, probably because they had been overshaped. But over time, I think if you're bending these mics, they're going to be breaking. That's another reason why I really like this adjustable version. I found out that Audacious, at least the retail website, has been acquired by a company called Stage Gear, and Rod Riley did say that that they were going to continue to honor this flat rate repair service for at least for legacy customers like me, but I noticed it is still on their website. It's not clear to me if the website's been fully updated. It may only have been updated in certain sections. The flat rate repair service is still on their website, but it's not on these product pages. So you might not be getting that, what was it, $50 or $60 cross ship, no questions asked replacement anymore. But I don't think you're going to be sending in these BH4 DHF3s for service because of the significantly reduced bending and tweaking of the microphone. So with the windscreen again, Rod did think that these were necessary for indoor use. Using them is kind of up to you. They might keep makeup and so forth off the mic element, but they also do have that, in a small theater, a very obvious cotton ball on the face look that you may not want. So far, I haven't had any mics go bad from not using this windscreen, but your mileage may vary.